Welcome back. Today we're going to be replacing this corner of the subfloor because we realized that it is completely rotted out, and that's why the door wasn't lining up and it was all jacked up. Well, unfortunately, I'm going to have to call it there for the day. We're going to have to go ahead and cut this board down so that it fits. You can see here that it's already pressed all the way up against this front edge. It's just a matter of cutting off those last 2 inches so we can get it to fit up into here. We made some good progress though, so I'm not complaining too much. Next up, we're going to cut that board down, get it put into place, and hopefully button everything back up and make it pretty again. See you in the next one.